Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with China. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be doing low bun with the side bang tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and also make sure that you like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so that you're notified each time I make awesome videos. So guys, first and foremost, I'm going to show you guys the products that you guys are going to need for this tutorial. So first and foremost, my handy dandy water bottle. I said water bottle, no. Spray bottle that has oil and mixed with it already. I have my oils so I can put some in my roots. Also, you're gonna need your edge control with edge brush. Also, you're gonna need some bobby pins and some pins, hair pins, whatever. And then we're gonna need some scarf or something to tie down our hair after we do our edges, you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, I forgot the most important thing that you need. Well, not the most important, but you are going to need some scrunchies. Oh my god, and some hair ties. I forgot. We need these for sure. Anyway, so I think my hair is okay. Let me see. And then I'm gonna add some oils to my roots quickly. Alright you guys, so now I'm just gonna massage my roots. Get that moisture in there. Okay. So now, before you get started, pick which side you want the bang to go. Let me see. This is my natural bang side. Like, I usually just, this is like my natural bang side. So I don't know, let me see. Or should I do like this? So we'll go with this side actually. I kind of like this side. So we're gonna go with this side. So what we're gonna do, first and foremost, we're gonna make a ponytail in the back. Now we're gonna grab the bigger scrunchie. So what we're gonna do, part our hair. We're only gonna leave a little bit to put down. So perfect. So you're gonna leave this part right here in the front, and then we're gonna bring the rest to the back. Let me see, you guys, it's a little too dark. Okay, just fix the. Now we're gonna fix the back. I have some pins, so I'm gonna use my pins. So first, we're gonna grab this to tie the back. Alright, you guys, so just here's the back, here's the bun. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just, and you also just you have to, you can fix it to your liking, you know, until you're comfortable or until you like how it looks, you know. So I'm satisfied with how it looks right now. From what I can see, I can't really see to the back, but I can see from the sides, and from that I'm very satisfied. So now let me get a little closer. Oops. I'm gonna be fixing the bang. So alright, you guys, so this is the look. Now I'm about to do our edges and then our makeup. Let's do our edges. And y'all already know this, I'm not good with edges. So yo, what's wrong with my thing? Let's keep on falling. So we're gonna do our edges. I think I figured out how to do edges. Ooh, I figured it out. Kinda. Not really, but kinda. Alright, so I'm gonna tie it down. Yeah, this is a look. I'm gonna tie it down and then I'll come back with the finished result. See y'all later. Alright, you guys, so I did my makeup. My hair's been laying down for about 45 minutes, so let me show y'all the y'all cannot tell me. Y'all cannot tell me I don't look good. Like, get in with it, y'all. Look. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. Like, my hair is laid when I tell y'all. Like, ooh. I'm about to take some pictures. I'm about to. Okay, you guys. So yes, like, get into it, y'all. Get into it. Like, I did my makeup for y'all. Well, really for myself, because I'm about to have a photo shoot. But you guys, this is the look. Like, I am loving it. Like this, you can, you know, go to church with this. You know, if you have an interview, you can do this with your hair. And the thing is, you don't even have to have a fresh retwist, you guys. My hair's been like, it's been like 3 to 4 weeks now since I had a retwist, so you don't have to have like the fresh retwist to achieve this look. Or most looks, you don't really need to have a fresh retwist, you guys. But this is so cute and I am loving it. Like, y'all, this is so cute. It's so cute, it's so chic, and you know, yes. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna stop the video right now because I am feeling myself and I'm about to take some pictures. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoy it. Yeah, please make sure you like, comment, you know, if you do like this look, this style, and I will try to come up with more hairstyles for you guys. Yeah, and also subscribe if you haven't, and click on the notification bell so you're notified each time I post a new video, guys. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video.